What's the meaning of chef? Chef. Chef.
Chef. Chef. A chef is a skilled professional who prepares and cooks food in a restaurant or other culinary establishment. They are responsible for creating menus, supervising kitchen staff, and ensuring that all dishes are prepared to high standards. Chefs may specialize in specific types of cuisine or cooking techniques, and often have years of training and experience in the culinary arts. Overall, being a chef requires a passion for food, creativity, attention to detail, and the ability to work well under pressure in a fast-paced environment.